Knotties, this is Queen Knotti coming at you with another wig review. Well, let me tell you about this young lady here. Her name is Rio. She's full of curls and she has elastic tabs in the back. She has a comb. Now here's the thing with the comb. The comb is approximately, I would say, 2 inches to 3 inches, 2 inches wide here in the back and across the top. This is all comb. Here. To show you. This is the comb that you're working with here. In this. So hopefully you can see that. All of this is comb from here to here. So what I usually do, I don't like combs sticking through my hair, my edges, as I was telling you, because it causes breakage to me. But I don't know why it's so wide, but I guess because it's a half unit here, half wig. And she's a half wig, and she, like as I explained to you, the combs is from here to here, and she's so pretty. I'm gonna have to turn around and let you see in the back. This unit also comes in various colors. The curls are so pretty. You're gonna love these curls. They're bouncy. You don't have to do too much. You just put her on, and like I said, it's, you know, the combs are in the back. She's very snug. There's no elastic tabs because they wouldn't. No elastic tabs because of the combs. It's the reinforcement of the combs from front to back, So yeah, she's very pretty and bouncy, and I'm gonna turn around and let you see her, how she falls in the back. You may mist a little water on it if you feel you need it, but her curls last pretty long. If you decide, just have a little, and it's very important to like set these water bottles on a mist. You just want a light mist. You don't want anything dripping all over your clothes or dripping on the unit to weigh it down. Mist with a little water, and mine is just a little mist action. And the reason why I say that, because you don't want it dripping, and you just scrunch her, you know, and I just do this. With curls, you really don't want to take the form out. You just mist her with a little water, and you just squeeze in and leave it. Don't brush her, don't comb her. The curls, I really don't put water on her. I just let her go, and as you wear her each day, the curls pretty much take a form, a natural pattern. This unit is so pretty. Just leave her alone. Just put her on, do one of these, shaking the little bounce that comes in, and that's it. It's really nothing else that you need to do with her. You just have fun with her. Just, you know, the wind blows, you just fall back. The curls are just so pretty. Let me just hold it up. Yeah. So, you really wouldn't need to put any heat on her. Like, she's natural looking. It's just pretty. And the way you don't have to cut her or anything like that. Now, this particular unit didn't want to chop her up or anything. Just let her. It's just a nice length. If you were going somewhere and you just want a wet and curly unit, this is the way to go. Rio, yes. And she comes in nice, various colors. Number 2, 1B, 4, you know, the mixed color, 1B 33, 1B 30s. And you may have one in a beauty store near you, but she's so pretty. And my earring of today, well, check these out. These are my diamond cut earrings that I call it. They're diamonds, and they have the pretty settings inside on them. Diamond shaped gold. Yes, check them out. And like I said, this unit is not new. It's been out for about 5 years now, and I've been ordering her off and on, and I keep her on hand. And so there you have it, Rio by Sensational. Don't forget to press that button and subscribe. See you later on my next video. This is Queen Knotti signing off on another wig review. Bye bye.